What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Weebull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stock, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying in classes in session. Today's video is about our put option that we're going to do for tomorrow, but I want to give you guidance tonight so that you guys can make a little bit of money on tomorrow as well as Friday, depending on how you play it. Listen, guys, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay, guys, we're back at it. Class is in session. I'm going to give you guys a quick update on today. After hours, guys, we are, as you see my 3-month chart I have up, by the way, we're sitting at a little bit over 1% on 3 months. I'm showing you guys what it looked like on a down day so that you guys can see that. But on right now, we are, after hours, we're still down a little bit over 2% right now, okay? Listen, I can care less about that. Real investors don't care anything about day-to-day fluctuations. Matter of fact, I'm about to show you guys how to still make money regardless about what the stock market is doing. Today, guys, I have a put option on deck for us to make some money. I want to give you guys some guidance, so let's get to it. Okay, guys, ticker symbol SOS. This is a put option, meaning we will be buying a put in this particular play for those of you that want to rock with your boy and make a little bit of money already on top of the money we've made in QCOM this week and Snap if you're part of my weekly option plays. And again, we do this on a consistent basis, okay? Chances make champions, so you might win 3, lose 1. I'll take that any day of the week. If you like the same, make sure you join me on this one, guys. Listen, this particular put, let me show you my current position because I'm going to be teaching you something, okay? Now, this is what I'm doing, okay? You guys are free to emulate what I do, but in addition to that, I'm going to teach you what you can also do, okay? So follow me on this. Check this out, my current position. I have 5 contracts in this, okay? So in the morning, okay, soon as the market open, you're going to do the same thing. I plan on hitting a home run, and when this happens, I'm going to sell 2 contracts. I'm going to take those hundreds of dollars and then I'll hold throughout the remainder of the day. It may hit again later on in the day. I may decide to take profits on maybe 1 more contract, but by Friday, this place should be all the way down, and I might sell the remaining 3 contracts to make a total killing in this entire play, okay? This play has been crushing it, so shout out to those of you that were in it on the ride up. I saw it go from 3 to 4 to 6, okay? Now, a cool off is just a natural occurrence in the market. Doesn't mean anything bad. It's just what the stock market does. The sooner you guys embrace that, the sooner you guys will start to have more success and change your perspective on how you looking at your plays that ain't took off yet, and the whole 9 yards, guys. I make money every day in my plays on a consistent basis, and I don't care what they do. All right, and I'm trying to teach you guys to do the same, but you got to make sure your mindset is open and ready to receive that kind of information. So that's just a quick lesson on how and why I even have 5 contracts, okay, versus 1. Now, this is a little more advanced, and so those of you that don't quite know what you're doing, don't risk this much money in 5 contracts. You need to get your feet wet and only spend what you can stand to lose, okay? Only spend what you can stand to lose, because I don't want you guys taking a risk that, again, have you with a terrible weekend because you wasted your rent money or your car note money or your phone getting cut off because you didn't hit on these plays. For those of you that are going to get in this in the morning, guys, here's what I want you to do. You guys need to hit trade first thing in the morning, okay? This is what's called an ODP. I love what's known as one-day plays. I created this whole wave. I've been doing this a long time, and like I told you guys earlier, I have massive success in this. So again, you can doubt, but please don't doubt something that's as proven as this over here, man. Check this out. We're choosing an April 9th expiration date, okay? And we are buying a put. As you see, I have both of those selected. I don't care what platform you use. You just follow these instructions. Make sure you hit buy and make sure you hit put. Okay, this is not a call. I'm going to teach you how to make money on the way down right now, okay? Like we did with Qualcomm. After we rode it up to 140, I told you guys to buy a put at 140 and ride it back down to 130. This is how we do. We've been winning all week, guys. Check this out. Right now, the price is $5.51, okay? And so some of you may be saying, Chris, you picked a $6 strike. That's just, again, just amateur questioning in terms of you guys not understanding what at the money is, in the money, deep in the money, out of the money. And so that's neither here nor there. For you that may get into this play tomorrow, you all need to consider, if you don't get the $6 strike like me, you need to consider the $6.50 put, okay? And then this one should cost you about $105 if you were doing it right now. It may be lesser than this in the morning. It may be a couple dollars higher than this in the morning. That is why you wait till you see what it is. But regardless, this is the one you choose. I'm going to back out of here. So you either going to do the $6.50 put, or I'm in the $6 put. And so you guys can do either one, okay? Makes me no different. Both will be winners. Also, in addition to both being winners, you need to know how this stock moves. One thing about me, I study the game to a T. So I can tell you the time of day, about damn near every stock, how to hit a home run consistently the way that I do. So listen, this play, again, early on, this will be an opportunity to take profit. You don't have to hold this for 10 weeks to get some money out of this, okay? Early in the day, early in the trading session, you will be able to take profit on this at least 1 to 2 times. Okay, so once you get your play set, be ready to again strike once this play falls to your strike price / your break even, all right, and be able to take profits. Don't be greedy. You know, if we're up 25%, 30%, 50%, 75%, that is considered a win. A home run is considered 100% gain. Don't be greedy. All of it's good money, okay? Listen, guys, I won't belabor the point. I just want you to get out there and get some money, okay? You got a chance to make some money tomorrow, and you're going to have some chance to make some money on this on Friday, depending on how you choose to play it, okay? I just want to set you up for the win so that we all come right back here to the VIP section and celebrate as a family, guys. Listen, up next, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is when to exit. Listen, guys, with options, it's very, very important that you know how to get in and out of plays, and you know, more importantly, when to exit, okay? I have principles that I invest by, which is why my success rate is so high. However, I've also been doing this a lot longer than most people. Listen, guys, 25% gain on an option is a win. A 50% gain, a 30% gain is a win. 75% up in an option play is a win. Of course, being up 100% or more like we did in Snap, we were up 295% in that soon as the stock market opened, okay? We stay hitting them off the park, but you guys have to know when to exit. Don't try to be greedy, be content with the win, okay? The home runs will come, but be okay with the win, which many of you are, which is why I love you guys so much. Exiting is very important because you don't want to overstay your welcome in the option play, because they can turn very, very quickly. And while you're pity-palling around doing other stuff, it can come up and then be going right back down. And then you don't even get a 25% return or a gain on your play. You get a negative 10%, okay? You are down negative $50, or you're down $105 just like that, because you, again, wasn't sticking to the principle. So 25% gain, 30% gain, 50% gain, 75% gain. Those are the things we look for. And of course, like nobody else, we stay 100%, 150, 250, 300% gains. That just comes with the territory. Don't be greedy though, guys. Live to see another option play, because I got plenty more in the chamber. Listen, guys, up next we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Elijah Snyder. I wanted to touch on this one really quickly. My SD card reader died on the last video, and so it cut me off midstream, and I didn't get a chance to answer this question. I'll make it quick for today, okay? This particular play we're holding to around $50, okay? It already hit that before, it will hit it again. And guys, this will be another home run, which we have hit several in charge point. But when you got a good stock, it's okay to go back to the well and rinse and repeat, okay? So $50 will be our exit price for those of you that want to get in and get out. Those of you that are long-term investors, this is a great long-term play, so you can hold it well beyond okay, until 65, 75, and however long you see fit. This should be a 1 to 3 year hold for most people, but if you are a short-term trader, you need to hold this until $49, $50, all right, and get ready for the double up in that. Listen guys, I hope that was helpful. If you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, I make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. Do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.